welcome back to another tool review by R&D Garage. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. And for all you guys who've been following along since the beginning, thank you. Okay, so you guys remember that now almost kind of viral video of me flopping onto the fastback after trying to basically torque down a yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, I got a lot of feedback online. I had posted it on TikTok, it went slightly viral, and everybody was like, just use the Ooga Dooga gun, just, do it. But you know what? I'm kind of here to tell you guys, no, that's not the right way to do it. I'm always the first to say something if I did something wrong. And honestly, me stepping on a step stool a couple feet above my head, reaching up, trying to do 95 foot-pounds when I only weigh 15 pounds more, that's definitely not the right way to do it. And I should have had Dee do it from the beginning because I could have really hurt myself. So I'm just here to say, yes, I messed up. But anyway, when it comes to torque wrenches, you really don't want to just torque stuff down. You want to use the proper torque wrench for each job. Now, we just got this little guy, and he's super cute. He's basically, I want to call him like a micro torque wrench, but he's good from about 30 to 200 inch-pounds. I'm so used to seeing foot-pounds, but it's inch-pounds. So basically about 2 to 3 foot-pounds. So this is good for like oil pans, something kind of like a little bit more sensitive than, bigger jobs. And then of course, we've got the mid-size. So you guys have seen me use this before. And then we got the big monster. So, these are for all those heavy duty jobs. It's kind of cool having, 3 different torque wrenches and kind of figuring out which one to use for which job. Again, for torquing on, maybe like rims or something like that, fine, go for it. But when you're working on your own car, and you guys have seen, we really beat on our cars. Obviously, I race the Hatchie. I'm probably going to beat a little bit on Blueberry once she's done. And so there's always a right way and a wrong way to do a job. And I always like to choose the right way. I mean, sometimes I kind of deviate from that. But when it comes to using a torque wrench, I'm firmly in the crowd that says, just do it right, because it's like if you over torque something, let's say the oil pan, and using, your Milwaukee or whatever, you're never going to get the leaks to stop, because if you over torque, you basically wrecked your oil pan. And I don't want it to be like too much of a lecture. I love you guys, and you probably already know this already, so I'm just going to leave it right there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing all 3 of my torque wrenches, and of course, my favorite Milwaukee, favorite brand. Yeah, and we're just going to go ahead and stop there. So thanks for watching my TED Talk, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the week.